are pleased to show you the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, front-wheel drive, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.